Hey, confession time. I have to say that I hadn't played tennis for many, many years. And about a year ago, I decided, okay, Gail, it's time to get back in the game. I'm 77, so I wanted a game that I could improve my balance and just have fun and get stronger. So I thought tennis. So I looked for a racket that I could use that was lightweight and would make me look good, because this has a big sweet spot. So even I can hit the ball on a regular basis. I'm getting better. But this one really has been a game changer, as they say. I would highly recommend it. It's called the Babolat Drive 110 OS. And it's got great comfort and feel. As I say, it's quite lightweight. It's got that big sweet spot. It's got great spin and net play. And I play for an hour and a half or so in Florida in the morning, so you want to not feel tired. And this one really comes through. So if you're trying to get back in the game, or you're switching from a different game like pickleball or squash or whatever, this is a great racket to pick, because you're going to enjoy playing with it. I believe it's well worth the price. And once you get back in the game again, you may even want to get a second one. So Babolat 110 OS is my recommendation. Highly worth it.